How to delete images. If you want to remove or delete an image, this is very simple. You can delete from the image box, the page, or the project. To delete from the image block, click the image box, then once selected, click the delete button on the toolbar, the top menu, or your delete key on your keyboard. The image will be deleted from the box. To delete the image box, the box must be empty. Select the item, then click the delete button on the toolbar, top menu, or the delete key on your keyboard twice. This will remove the image, then the image box. To delete an image from your project, it must be removed from the page. If your image is in use, it will have a number beside the image in the image panel. If the image is not used, it can be removed from the project. Click the delete icon and it will be removed from your project.